Don't you know that you're beautiful just the way you are, just the way you can.
Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel, and thank you all so very much for joining me for another real life motivational cleaning video. My name is Evita and I love posting cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos. So today I am cleaning out our pantry. I do clean our pantry out about every 3 months, and as you all can see, it looks like I have never organized it. But we have stopped overbuying groceries and now only buy what we will consume throughout the week, which has been saving us a lot of money and cutting down on what we have to throw away, like bad or expired food. But I do want to thank you all so very much for watching today. If you find yourself enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Also, leave me a comment down below because it really helps my channel grow and be recommended here on YouTube. Well, that's enough of this chit chat. Let's go ahead and tackle this hot mess.
Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but
The first thing I'm doing is just removing everything from out of the pantry.
and you say, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria.
So I ended up popping open a bag of red rice, and of course it got everywhere.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too.
You can't see the paper bags, but I am tossing things in there that are going to be for a food pantry and stuff that has expired that I'm just going to go ahead and toss out.
Breaking open, then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your
I will only be sweeping out the pantry. I only wipe the walls and the shelves off about once a year, but you guys see all of that rice that I spilled on the floor?
Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. Gloria, please.
Look at all of this stuff. Our table is extremely big and our pantry is very small. Well, to me, it's very small. And I always feel like after I empty out the pantry, it's like way too much stuff in there. It's like overwhelming. So what I'm doing is just going through stuff that we're going to eat and stuff we may not eat. And I'm just going to go ahead and donate this stuff that we're not going to eat to a food pantry.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you.
Now I am just putting everything back, so I am going to move stuff around a lot because I want it to be perfect, or as perfect as possible to me. It doesn't turn out as Pinterest picture perfect, but it turns out way better than what it was before.
All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you.
So I'm not really a canned good type of person, but I'm just gonna go through the few that we have and get rid of whatever is expired and put them back into the pantry.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for that.
So here is my hot mess pantry before I tackled everything, got rid of everything, purged, got stuff together for donations, and threw away the stuff that was expired. And here is the end results. I think this looks so much better, you guys, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. It's not as cluttered. There aren't things in there that we aren't gonna eat, that we're just wasting, just letting sit there and come up to the expiration date. But I want to thank you all so very much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Also, leave me a comment down below, but I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.
Play serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only